in this example, they want us to find the area of the triangle shown below. So this triangle, how do we find the area? Well, let's remember the formula for the area of a triangle. So the area of a triangle from the formula sheet is a half times base times height from the exam 2 notes. Now, this problem is a great one to see. What is base and height? Base and height must be 90 degrees to each other. Right? Think about it. If I was to measure my, say I'm a person here standing on the ground. If I was to measure my height and I was to take the tip top of my head and go diagonally down to the ground, I don't want my head's tilted all weird there. This is me with a weird looking head. If I was to go diagonally down to the ground, that's not height, right? That's not height. I'd be ready for the NBA. I'd be like 10 feet tall. What is height? Height is straight down to the ground, 90 degrees. That's what height is. We all know that, right? When we talk about the height of something, we mean straight down to the ground, straight down to the base. See how height and base must meet at 90 degrees? So when you get any formula that talks about base and height, like the area of a triangle or the area of a parallelogram, you got to remember base and height must be at 90 degrees to each other. That's what height means. Height means straight down to the ground, doesn't it? Not at an angle. Not like this at an angle. It's straight down to the ground, 90 degrees to the base. That's what height means. We all know that. Okay, so then let's go over to this diagram and say this is the base right here. We'll just make that the ground. So the base is what? The base is just one unit wide. And what's the height of this shape? Well, the height is from the tip top straight down to the ground. You think, yeah, but it doesn't even touch it. It's still its height, isn't it? It's still the height. And how many jumps is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The height is 6. So the height is from the tip top straight down to the ground. Even though the base doesn't go all the way over there, that's still height, right? Height is straight down to the ground, the extension of the base, right? If you extended the base, that's the ground. So the height is 6, the base is 1. So then the area is 1/2 base times height is 1/2 1 times 6. Half of 6 is 3. So the area of that triangle, a half base times height, is a half 1 times 6. So the height is at 90 degrees to the ground, which is where the base is located, on the ground. So there we go.